Welcome to FX Street. Today we're going to be talking about Polygon, set to rally 25% as the stars align for MATIC. Before we dive deeper into the technicals, please make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Twitter at FX Street Crypto to be updated on the hottest trends in the cryptocurrency space. Let me first of all draw you up where I see that 25% gain, so that we can settle already on the matter on where that profit level would be, and that is roughly around here. Apologies. Just briefly below $1.80, or rather between the monthly resistance 1 R1 and the 200-day simple moving average. Because as it stands at the moment, MATIC is still under scrutiny of that famous dead cross, and the 55 is underpinning a bit of the bearishness and forming a cap to the upside. But at the moment, as we see, this $1.30 handle has been given a bit of support. Just briefly, there we go. So $1.31 has caught the price action on Easter Monday, and is starting a 3-day profitable rally for the moment. And it looks like this rally will have a little bit more room to go. Because first of all, if bulls are able to close above the 55-day simple moving average anywhere this week, the 55 will act as a launching platform for any further upside. So let us draw that up for you. There we go. So let's expect to see a jump higher, then a little bit of a pullback before then going back into this area here, $1.63, I think. Next, it will be, or bulls will of course take profit again. Price action in Polygon will look for support, which can be found then at the monthly pivot and this historic pivotal level at $1.57. Once that is found, it can react as a slingshot and can push price action all the way up to $1.80. And we could see a similar pattern, which could then result even in a possible run all the way up to $2. But that would depend then on the fact that some big tail risks are being taken out of the equation. So, for example, there's a solution or a peace breakthrough between Russia and Ukraine, for example, coinciding with French elections falling in favor of Macron, so that there's no change in legislation or ruling party at the moment, for example. So that would bring those $2 on the docket. But for now, I think already $1.80 would be very enjoyable with a 25% gain if we can make it up there. But very important in this trade is that 55 can be turned into support, the monthly pivot can be turned into support, and this 200-day together with this historic pivotal level can be also turned into support. So this is a very technical play, and for any active traders out there, this could be a very good solid trade going forward in the next coming days or even weeks to come. Of course, as mentioned already, tail risks loom. So for example, should the Fed in May conduct a 75 basis point hike instead of an expected 25 or 50, that would pour cold water on the markets, and of course that would coincide with a nosedive move. So expect then to, for example, see a rejection against the 55-day, and then we could see price action dip back of another 13 to 15% below $1.30, and could well even dip all the way back to $1.20 in search for multiple levels of support in order to catch any further pressure from the bears. That's it for Polygon for today. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Twitter at FX Street Crypto.